Hello, travelers. I'm Wheelchair Jimmy, and I'm rolling through Phoenix today. I stopped at the Scottsdale Resort and Athletic Club on Indian Bend Road. Now, this is in the older part of Scottsdale, and if you want to go to the restaurants or shopping or Old Town or the spring training games, you really need a car. This is a couple miles out. When you pull into this hotel, well, it it sits in a huge concrete parking lot. It's a big enough facility. It actually has 5 wheelchair accessible guest rooms and 5 rolling showers. It surrounds a large accessible pool. And so when you come in here, there's lots of parking spaces in this parking lot. And when you come into the lobby, there is a wheelchair accessible restroom off the lobby. There is no full service restaurant and bar here. It's continental breakfast only. Across the parking lot is the OC restaurant. You can easily walk or roll there. It's a very nice, upscale, very wheelchair accessible restaurant. On the W-Jar scale, this hotel gets a 3. It's very wheelchair friendly, but I just don't like this big, ugly parking lot, and the fact that you have to drive to go out to the restaurants and shopping. You're really a couple miles away. Roll out, America!